Oh, bloody asshole, I can't even do dishes right now. Oh, fuck. Oh, oh, fuck. Oh, my fucking ass tits. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Oh, my god. Oh, god, I got all this shit in my ass. I swear to god. I wake up, and all this shit is in my fucking... Oh, there you go. Getting there, yeah. Gotta clean this shit up. Oh, yeah, got this going here. Shit. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, yeah, I got this shit going on here. Oh, yeah. Fuck. Okay, so I got this knife here. Gonna shove this up my own ass. Gonna shove all these knives up my ass. After all these knives are up my own ass, then I'm gonna go and cry in a pile of my own fecal matter. And then after the fecal matter, I'm gonna be like, God damn, and all this other crap, and all this other shit out of my own ass. In fact, when I wake up, I'm always just screaming into the void. And when I wake up screaming, it's like, God damn. And oh! Okay, that knife fell. Haha, my reflexes are 100% not really that accurate, but I did something and I didn't cut myself when I dropped the knife onto the floor, so that's some decent reflex from dropping knives on my feet. Because I did not want to cut my feet right now. It is an inconvenience to be cutting my own feet, because cutting my own feet is a huge pain, and I don't like cutting my own feet, because when that happens, because then it hurts to walk, and I have to be doing all this other stuff, like cleaning the dishes, and this here, this goes here. Alright, okay, this goes in the trash. Okay, it's clean. This goes over here into this cabinet. Oh, boy. Oh, yeah, there we go. And this is clean. Oh, yeah, there we go. Clean, shiny. Right, there we go. Dirt. Alright, I'm gonna put this right here. I'm gonna put that there. Yeah, I'm gonna put this going cabinet here. Oh, yeah. There we go. Okay, into the pantry this goes, and oh hey, Mr. Tommy, here's who's a good kitty. Who's a good kitty? You a good kitty. You a good kitty. Oh shit, the freaking blender is like deep in my ass here. Oh, how am I gonna get the freaking blender? Oh man, if this thing crashes, I'm gonna be so pissed. Oh god, my ass. Oh, oh god, my back is killing me. Oh no. Oh god. Oh god. Okay. Trash. Bones go here. Oh fuck. Okay, there we go. This here. Get this there. Oh, there you go. Oh fuck. Oh no. I just. Oh, okay. Oh. Oh god. Where's my back and bear pills? I need my back and bear pills. It hurts. It hurts so much. Oh god. My back. Oh, I need to numb the pain. How do I numb the pain? The pain is immense. Alright, I'm gonna peel this full of pounds. Alright, I'm gonna take a break right now, but when we come back, now time for these messages! You know what? It is orange time. I'm gonna have an orange right now. Ah, yes. It is a delightful orange. I'm gonna have to open in the sink here. Okay. Carefully opening. Oh, it just went in my face. Okay. Delicious tangerine, yay. Delicious. You know, I'm not gonna upload this. Crap, is it still recording? Oh, fuck me. I'm gonna go brush my teeth now. I'm gonna go brush my teeth. Oh boy! Oh shit! Oh fuck me! Oh fuck my ass! Oh fuck everything in my ass! Oh bloody ass! Pain! Oh, is it still recording? Oh fuck! Alright, I'm gonna go brush my teeth right now. Oh god! Okay, I got the light on here. Oh god, I got to the toilet. Oh fuck! Oh. Oh god, look at this ugly ass piece of shit in the mirror. Oh my fuck. I need to wake up every morning not screaming at how hideously repulsive you are. Which I do wake up screaming at how hideously repulsive I am. Alright, let's begin the brushing. Okay. Oh, you sick fuck! Get out of my ass! Oh, oh, you bitch. You know what, whatever. I had a gash on my head. I look like I'm dead. La 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 la. I am dead. La 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 la. Hallelujah. I have an open gash on my forehead. And la la la. I suck. I suck as a person. I'm the worst person ever. I suck. Ah! 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 Ah, crap. I brushed way too hard. Oh, man. Ah. Mouthwash time! Ah, it burns! Ah! 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 Oh! Oh, shit! Oh, fuck my... Oh, tits. Shit. Alright. Guess I can go here. Ah, shit on my ass. Oh, you hideous, ugly ass whore. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, piss. Yeah, my hair's all gross. Frizz! Ah! Oh, this is still recording. You know, whatever, I'm gonna upload this. I don't care who listens to this. Blah. I'm gonna shit right now. Look. Oh, God. God. Oh shit! Oh, oh shit! Oh fuck! Oh man! Ah! Oh god! Oh! Oh god! Okay. Ah fuck! Oh shit! Yeah, I don't care who listens to this shit. Fuck. Okay, I'm gonna just. What the fuck is this bitch on TV? Just shower the floor like it's nothing. Where the fuck did I put my... Alright, I can go here. Fudge. Fudge and McGuire. Oh, bloody hell, I have to pot this away. Fuck. Oh, shit. Okay, fine. I put this. I'm going to Ziploc bag, so don't feel bad. Yeah, just here. Fuck are y'all happy about? Look at me, I'm shooting. Wow. Yes, a bunch of things I've crowed up my own ass. Alright, let's see. Maybe I can fit all this into a bow. What the fuck's on TV? Alright, let's see. This. Oh. Okay. Oh my god, why is everybody on TV screaming? Oh my god. I'll just... Oh, okay, let's see. Put this here. Blah, fuck. Blah, 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 blah. Putting all these vegetables into a bowl, save for later. Placing it all into a bowl for later. Thank goodness nobody's awake right now, otherwise to hear me talking to myself in the kitchen while I'm working, cleaning. Ah, fuck. Okay, let's see, what the fuck, oh you bitch. Alright, in here. Oh, up. Okay, there we go. Alright, you're gonna get clean now. Ugh. Oh, fudge my wire. Oh! Oh, my ass. Oh, God, it burns. Oh, shit. Oh. Ah, fuck. Ah, shit. Oh. Oh. Oh, God. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Oh. Oh, God. Oh, my back. Oh. Okay, I think I am done. Oh, fuck, I still have to clean this shit. Oh, my fuck. Fuck my ass. Alright, let's see. Wipe. Wipe. And, where the hell is my phone? Oh, piss. Oh, okay, this goes here in the drawer. There he goes in my ass. Nice ass, bitch. Alrighty. Who this bitch messaging me? Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna sit my fat ass on the floor here. Oh god. What? Oh boy, I fuck. Oh god. Fuck. Oh shit, I need to hit the gym. Oh my god. Oh god, my back's killing me. Oh fuck. Oh god, I gotta hit the gym. Oh my back. Shit. Alright. Okay, I think that's all the shit I gotta do right now. Oh, fuck your bridges. Alright, let's see what shit I can fucking shove up my ass right now. Alright, let's see here. Oh my god, that hurt like hell. Alright, let's see. Nope. Oh, piss. I didn't piss on a shit. Alright, nope. Fuck. Oh, piss on my ass. Oh, shit. You're an artificial intelligence shit, bitch. Oh. Okay, now where the fuck's my cup here? I'm gonna drink this shit up here. Oh, you can scan your own ass, bitch. You don't tell me to get scanned. You tell me what to do. You tell me to get scanned. I'm gonna scan my own ass. That's what I'll do. Oh, bunny. So funny. You're like a handkerchief and my nose is right. Oh, I forgot a freaking song goes on. You all know the reference. I mean, if you're a millennial and shit, or some crap, that Johnny Bravo thing. Okay, I'm gonna drink this shit. Oh, oh god. Oh, gee, like suiga. Oh, man. Oh, I hate this medicine. Oh my fuck. Ah. Well, I mean, it's medicine. I mean, of course, it's not gonna taste like freaking candy and shit. Ugh. Alright, I'm gonna just hope this helps clear out my freaking nostrils. And I'm gonna take some Sudafed, which makes me fucked up. Sudafed. Well, I'll do this like when. Okay, it's non-drowse. Maximum sinus. Well, you know what? I don't think I need to take one for today since my nose hasn't been feeling like it's exploding. Like, how? So, maybe I'll skip one night tonight and see how I do. But if I wake up in hell, I'm gonna freaking explode and die. And not only just die, I will be dead. And dead will I be. Just extra dead with peacocks in my ass. Ah!